The 2025 Indian Scout 60 marks a significant return to the international lineup after a hiatus due to stringent emissions regulations. With the introduction of the new SpeedPlus engine and a refined platform, the Scout 60 is set to expand the reach of Indian motorcycles' iconic Scout family. This bike caters to both new and experienced riders, offering an approachable entry into motorcycling with its classic American style and balanced performance. Accessible design and lightweight handling. The 2025 Indian Scout 60 is designed to appeal to a broad range of riders, with over 90% of buyers being new to the Indian brand. Additionally, nearly a quarter of Scout buyers are new to motorcycling, indicating the bike's suitability for beginners. The Scout 60's lightweight build, low seat height, and nimble handling make it a standout in terms of accessibility, allowing riders of all skill levels to feel confident on the road. The bike's low center of gravity also contributes to exceptional maneuverability at low speeds, making it an ideal choice for riders of all sizes. Iconic American styling and customization. The Scout 60 continues Indian Motorcycle's tradition of producing bikes with timeless American styling and flawless craftsmanship. The design features a tubular steel frame that not only provides durability but also offers a classic aesthetic that is ready for customization. The clean, minimalist approach to the Scout 60's design allows riders to personalize their bikes with a range of accessories. This bike represents the perfect balance of style and performance, ready to be tailored to fit individual preferences. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Scout 60 is the all-new SpeedPlus 999 cubic centimeters engine. This liquid-cooled engine delivers an impressive 85 horsepower and 87 Newton-meters of torque, offering a smooth, approachable powertrain. The 5-speed transmission ensures a manageable and enjoyable riding experience, catering to a wide range of riders. Whether cruising on highways or navigating city streets, the Scout 60 provides a comfortable ride with plenty of power for all types of riders. Trim options and features. The 2025 Scout 60 is available in two main trim levels, Standard and Limited. Both trims are equipped with essential features such as anti-lock braking system, ABS, and LED lighting. The Standard trim provides a solid foundation for riders, with a new fuel gauge, updated hand controls, and a larger battery to enhance the overall experience. On the other hand, the Limited trim introduces additional features aimed at improving comfort and control. These include cruise control, traction control, customizable ride modes, and a USB charging port for devices. Limited trims also feature exclusive engine and frame badging to set them apart from the standard models. Price. The 2025 Indian Scout 60 offers incredible value for its class, with a starting price of $8,999. This pricing makes it an affordable entry point for riders looking to experience the legendary Indian motorcycle brand. The Scout 60 combines affordability with premium features, making it a strong competitor in the middleweight cruiser market. Wide range of accessories for personalization. Indian Motorcycle offers a wide array of over 100 accessories compatible with the Scout 60. These accessories allow riders to further customize their bikes for comfort, style, and convenience. Popular options include 101mm touchscreen display with ride command. This modern feature blends seamlessly with the Scout 60's classic analog gauge, offering GPS navigation, ride statistics, Bluetooth connectivity, and more. Quick-release touring windshield. Not only does this windshield provide custom style, but it also shields riders from wind and elements. Syndicate seat, a two-up seat designed for comfort and durability, with black leather-like vinyl that is resistant to rain and sunlight. Touring saddlebags. These sturdy, magnetic closure saddlebags are designed to keep your gear safe and organized, even when the bags are empty. Bobber saddlebag, a minimalist, weatherproof saddlebag with a raw style that complements the Scout 60 bobber. Versatility and ride mode. The 2025 Scout 60 caters to various riding styles with its 3 distinct ride modes: Sport, Standard, and Rain. These modes adjust the throttle response to suit different road conditions and rider preferences, offering a tailored riding experience. Traction control, available on the limited trim, further enhances the bike's stability and handling, providing riders with added confidence in challenging conditions. Conclusion: the 2025 Indian Scout 60 brings a legendary blend of style, performance, and accessibility to the Indian motorcycle lineup. Its approachable pricing, combined with the customizable features and refined design, makes it a compelling choice for new and experienced riders alike. Whether you're looking for a stylish cruiser or a bike that offers confidence on the road, the Scout 60 delivers an exceptional riding experience. With a starting price of $8,999, the Scout 60 represents great value in the mid-size motorcycle market, making it an ideal entry point into the world of Indian motorcycles.